I've heard that with it's a typical Bhansali set. मतलब दिखावा है काफी शो है हमेशा से. It's like he does with all his films. History जो है हीरा मंडी की वो काफी डिस्टॉर्ट हुई है. इतने मतलब ग्रैंड नहीं थी हीरा मंडी.
Like आप एक empowered औरत इस ऐसी इंडस्ट्री में आप देखना चाहते हो तो आपको उस तरह मिलती है.
No amount of technology can change his idea about love. He still will love from afar. Even if there's a telephone, he will write a letter. That is him.
He was not toxic at all. Yes. So he had this very weird perception of the wives and he looked down on them. That was his only toxic trait. I mean, it's very obvious that all of these people have gotten some work done, but we have to understand that they belong to an industry जिसमें इसके बगैर गुजारा नहीं है ना.
Hello, Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to Cocktail. I am Shiza and we have Amna with us as usual. And then we have Nimra here. We also have Ali. So आज हम जो है बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सी बातचीत करने वाले हैं and we want to talk about the much hype हीरा मंडी. हीरा मंडी के ऊपर बहुत सारे रिव्यूज आ रहे हैं. हीरा मंडी के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा लोग बातचीत कर रहे हैं तो हम क्यों पीछे रहे, राइट? So we are here to pass our 2 cents here as well. और हम लोग जो है थोड़ा सा बात करते हैं कि हीरा मंडी के भाई तुम लोगों ने हीरा मंडी देखी. हाउ डिड यू व्हाट डिड यू लाइक नॉट लाइक अबाउट इट? लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम निम्रा. हाँ जी निम्रा.
I loved it. मैंने इसको मैंने 1 दिन का शो देखा और I thought it was very powerful. You hear so much about हीरा मंडी as an industry, हीरा मंडी in literature also. तो उस सबको असल में देखते हुए it was just fascinating. I loved it.
Oh, awesome. Amna, what do you think?
मुझे तो लगता है 8 एपिसोड्स में उन्होंने धज्जियां उड़ा दी हैं लाहौर की हिस्ट्री की.
I love you.
Well, personally, honestly, मुझसे जो है ना इस तरह के जो तवाइफ बेस्ड शोज होते हैं ना मुझे जरा थोड़ा सा अजीब सी मुझे बहुत ज्यादा क्रीपी से लगते हैं. बिकॉज मुझे कॉन्सेप्ट प्रोस्टिट्यूशन का बहुत ही ज्यादा जो है ना बहुत तवाइफ टेक्निकली उन्होंने उसको जो है ना कल्चर तरीके से दिखाने की कोशिश की है और मुझे जो है ना इस तरह की बहुत ही टॉक्सिक तरीन रिलेशनशिप्स फील होती हैं उधर. बहुत टॉक्सिसिटी थी ओवरऑल जस्ट एज अ इमोशन ऑन अ बेस लेवल मतलब जनरली एज इन उन्होंने जिस तरीके से इंटरपर्सनल रिलेशनशिप्स औरतों के दरमियान दिखाई थी कि मतलब कि उसने उसका बच्चा जो है मरवा दिया या दे दिया किसी और को और बहुत ही ज्यादा जो है ना सेक्सुअल एनर्जी कुछ ज्यादा ही छत फाड़ रही थी फॉर सम ऑड रीजन. और फरदीन खान जो है वो बहुत अजीब लग रहा था यार. मतलब मैं नहीं कर सकती. मैं नहीं आई कुडंट गेट थ्रू इट. I honestly I can't it's creepy for me. In the age of AI it's really hard to be able to relate to you stooping to that level that you have to sell your body use ChatGPT, figure something out. You can do it. I'm so sorry I'm this person
out there which sort of
it's a very hard I don't feel bad for you that you had to live this life because honestly it just makes me feel you could have come up with alternative ways of figuring out how to move on.
Ali, what do you think?
don't know. In all honesty, I don't know if people like me for saying this, but I haven't seen it. I'm still making a decision as to whether I want to. Because of the fact that I've heard that with it's a typical Bhansali set from what I've heard, and there's a lot of grandeur. There's a lot of मतलब दिखावा है काफी शो है हमेशा से. It's like he does with all his films. Ram, Leela, और वो जो और भी बाजीराव मस्तानी, kind of the same touch. But as Amna rightly pointed out, to a certain extent that history जो है हीरा मंडी की वो काफी डिस्टॉर्ट हुई है. इतने मतलब ग्रैंड नहीं थी हीरा मंडी. It's literally an alley behind बादशाही मस्जिद. I've been there हम लोग because नाश्ते की spots काफी हैं वहाँ पे. So I think the problem with Hindi movies in general is that the way they portray Pakistanis and the way they मतलब वो जो आप मूवीज बजरंगी भाईजान में
आदाब
देखेंगे, हमारे यहाँ आप जनाब करके बात करें,
आदाब
हम
like
कौन बात
everywhere
करते हैं?
8 episodes आदाब like and like बहुत ही ज्यादा like कोई मर गया है तो ला ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह like inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un bro, that's like basic research. एंड इतनी ज्यादा लाइक अजीब तरीके से मुसलमानों को बहुत ही जो है ना लाइक कैरेक्टर डेवलपमेंट नहीं होती उनमें फॉर सम ऑड रीजन. बस ये जो है दीन कैरेक्टर डेवलपमेंट करने नहीं देता इन द आईज ऑफ.
Tell me something. After all the reels that you've been watching of Bibbo Jaan, तुमने अभी तक उसकी The Walk, you have not seen it?
I don't understand why that's viral. Tell me. Why is that viral? Like, I don't get it. Like, she's just...
Tell us why is it viral?
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear the question.
I'm saying the Bibbo Jaan की the walk she does, it's reels में घूम फिर रही है बहुत ज्यादा.
Basically हाँ वो यूं टर्न करती है और फिर दुपट्टा अपने ऊपर ले लेती है.
भाई अली तो पता नहीं. हाँ मुझे बताओ. What do you think?
Yeah, to be honest, I don't understand the virality of that as well. Bibbo Jaan was my least favorite character in the entire narrative. My favorite character was Malika Jaan. Or I loved her because she was so powerful. Like आप एक empowered औरत ऐसी इंडस्ट्री में आप देखना चाहते हो तो आपको उस तरह मिलती है मलिका जान में. और I have a lot to fight on with Amna and Ali. Because I completely disagree, but as far as the variety of Bibbo Jaan is concerned, it's obvious it's because she's beautiful and she has a nice body.
She is beautiful. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी आई है उसके अंदर. I mean उसके बाद the walk के बाद, I mean if you've seen कि बार-बार ना people are focusing on the surgeries she's been through, उसकी before after की तस्वीरें आ रही हैं.
Oh my god, somebody give me her plastic surgeon's number. Seriously.
Oh my god.
No, I am oh my godding because she got like a jawline. She got surgeries, Shiza, that you don't even know existed. And getting surgeries that you didn't even know.
So many people got surgeries, but at the end of the day, they are a mess. She's not a mess. She's not a mess. So पूरी कास्ट को आप बिठा के देख ले, पूरी कास्ट को आप इकट्ठे बिठा के देख ले, Bibbo Jaan stands out, right? She stands out. Aditi Rao.
Bibbo Jaan is played by Aditi Rao.
Yeah, fully.
You need to come out of the cave.
Aditi Rao is graceful. Yeah, she's graceful. I really have a crush on her, so I'm not gonna go any two ways about that.
And you have yet not watched The Walk or her Hira Mandi.
Well, that's the point of the crush. I'm not head over heels. I will get the time.
You will get the time. वो body is too busy भाई. ये तुम लोग के जो Gen Zs के बच्चे हैं ना वो
ज्यादा नहीं देखता क्योंकि उसको ज्यादा प्यार ना हो जाए. कम देखेगा तो प्यार रहेगा हमेशा के लिए. ज्यादा उससे बर्दाश्त नहीं होता प्यार. Internally he can't deal with it too much.
वो आपने देखा है ना वो डायलॉग एक there's this picture that circulates the internet. और उसमें एक there's this actor and he's looking at it in a scene, Indian season है probably. उसमें वो कहता है he's looking at his love interest who's getting married to someone else और नीचे कैप्शन दिया हुआ है कि चांद हासिल हो जाए तो कहाँ चांद लगता है, तो अच्छा है ला हासिल ही रहा. That's the same thing.
Exactly.
The Sanjay Leela Bhansali की obsession with चांद, I mean ये देखे ना देखे उसकी फिल्में, but चांद के साथ जो रिश्ता है ना उसका वो अली तक पहुंचा हुआ है भाई. तो मतलब देवदास हो उसमें चांद है, बाजीराव मस्तानी हो उसमें चांद है, इसमें भी चांद है. कभी चांद उतरता नहीं है, चांद तो दिखा जाता है दूर से. So I mean, Ali, you're there, you're just denying it.
Oh, definitely. No, I'm definitely I'm a very old school romantic at heart. मैं honestly, there's no denial there.
He wants to love from afar. No amount of technology can change his idea about love. He still will love from afar. Even if there's a telephone, he will write a letter. That is him. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Why am I being
that is me.
I don't know why I'm being so mean to you for so early in the morning. I'm going to pace myself with my meanness.
I think let's bring Nimra back into the conversation because she's seen the season and we haven't. So I think she's probably got more.
मैंने देखे मेरी बात सुने. The only adorable thing about this season was Tajwar. That's it. But he's such a bad boy. They solely undersold his character. Never trust a man who looks like that. Never, ever, never, ever. That guy is not. He is not like a little baby boy. He's so not. But wow, what a cutie. What a cutie. He's gorgeous. बहुत cute.
Amna is in love with toxic men.
Notice so far.
Newsflash.
He was not toxic at all.
He wasn't, but in real life he probably is.
No, he was. वो कहता था भाई इसने चोरी की होगी, मैंने नहीं की, ये terrorist है, मैं terrorist हूँ, भाई what is wrong? You don't do these kinds of things. He's very toxic. I mean,
actually no. I think उसकी toxicity सिर्फ उस point तक थी where he was despising हीरा मंडी और तवाइफ्स के बारे में उसका एक बहुत बुरा one second, sorry. Yes, so he had this very weird perception of tawaiffs and he looked down on them. That was his only toxic trait. Otherwise, he was a good guy. He was a revolutionary. Or he died in his during his rebellion. I would definitely rate him 10 on 10.
Because nobody was there to bail him out. When he could bail himself out, तो उसने कहा कि हाँ भाई मेरी बीवी को ले जाओ, मेरी खैर है, मुझे छोड़ दो. So I mean, he was a coward, downright coward.
I don't think so. I really don't think so, because he was not giving up secrets. He was protecting.
No, so you can. I mean, at the end as well, you know, he did not give up the secrets, and वो इनकलाब करता हुआ he died. And same did Bibbo Jan. He could have done that earlier, but he was sticking out. He was not taking responsibility for what belongs to him.
I want to spend the last 5 minutes of this show talking about Sanjay Leela Bhansali's niece. So both of you need to come to an agreement.
Okay.
I just want to talk about her because she is a meme sensation. People have made so many memes about her. Like, I don't know about her acting career, but her comedy career, wow. I'm not.
I mean, do you understand? I mean, all of the shows, हर show में वो जा रही है, उसको लोग roast कर रहे हैं, बेचारी को grill करके रखा हुआ है. She had to turn off the comments and इतनी इंतहा की trolling थी, उसको समझ लग ही गई होगी कि उसको. I mean, there's these memes that are circulating जिसके अंदर, you know, even जो बाकी को actresses हैं उसको पर हंस रही हैं, and you know they cannot. Sonakshi Sinha है and the Aditi Rao है, they're, you know, sort of controlling their laughter and everything. तो जाहिर है of course वो बच्ची जो है वो फील तो करती होगी she is misfit, और उसको पता तो चलता होगा.
उसने 16 ऑडिशंस दिए और उससे पहले 1 साल से जो है वो ट्रेन हो रही थी इसी रोल के लिए. Damn.
So that is one plastic surgery that did not go really well. She lost all her expressions.
Seriously, उसकी भी हुई है. हाँ वैसे you know
उसकी लिप्स में फिलर्स हैं और उसकी वजह से उसके लिप्स का वही नहीं चेंज होता. So all the time
Amna, आपको नहीं पता लगा उसकी सर्जरी हुई है? You are like the first person to notice anyone's surgeries. What is wrong with you?
See, you should watch our previous episode. We talk about men, and it's inspired by you. Yes, please go on.
Nimra, you tell us.
I mean, it's very obvious that all of these people have gotten some work done, but we have to understand that they belong to an industry जिसमें इसके बगैर गुजारा नहीं है ना. You can't age gracefully. It's a necessity for them. So yes, she lost all her expressions, but she retained her looks, and she might be able to capitalize on that anywhere else.
Really?
हाँ सच बोल रही है, because उसने किसी NRI बिलियनर से शादी की है और मतलब कि कोई बात नहीं, एक हाथ से गया तो दूसरे हाथ से आया भी. It's okay.
Ali, where do you find her?
Again, I've not seen any of the memes that we're talking about here. None of the interviews, nothing like that. I mean, I've barely been following the Hira Mandi hype except for Aditi Rao and the other guy. Taha Shah, what character is Taha Shah playing in Hira Mandi?
That is Taha.
That's the same character we were just talking about?
Ji.
I mean, I like
He's
the
so
whole
cute.
outlook, the mustache culture that they're trying to bring back into context. That is interesting, honestly. because I don't think a lot of people can pull that off in today's time.
Especially like Ali, nobody, I don't know a guy who carries it as gracefully as him, honestly. I agree with the mustache culture. I like a man with a mustache.
Of course, it's a sign of toxicity. Why wouldn't you?
Amna, तुम्हारे तो सब red flags. Amna makes a list of red flags and then ticks them, and that's going to be her like the perfect guy she's trying to find out.
Amna's basically that bull you have in the Colosseum, and red वो उसके आगे लहराते हैं ना, Amna दौड़ के उसकी तरफ जाती है. That's all.
जो भी है guys, मतलब कुर्सियां, कर्टन, पर्दों, सब चीजों ने जो है ना एक्टिंग की संजय लीला बंसाली की टीवी नेटफ्लिक्स की हिट टीवी शो पे. बट उसका उस बंदी से एक एक्सप्रेशन नहीं निकला. Have you guys seen that meme? I'm sure you have. वो जिसके अंदर वो टॉक शो पे वो कपिल शर्मा का ही ये क्लिप थी जिसके अंदर वो कह रहे थे कि पर्दे, कुर्सियां, सबसे एक्टिंग करवा रहे थे. मगर इनसे एक्सप्रेशन नहीं आई.
There was this one of them was saying, the actresses के I did 99 takes, I think, something for one of the. So I think that's really interesting. The amount of perfection Sanjay Leela Bhansali is after, yet he could not make his niece, you know.
Okay, generally, what is your favorite Sanjay Leela Bhansali movie? Like favorite? Gangubai? Really?
I love Gangubai. Gangubai was really nice. And I love Devdas.
यार मुझे देवदास इज अ क्लासिक. यार मुझे जनरली जो है ना तवाइफ के कॉन्सेप्ट से मुझे पर्सनल उलझन होती है, बट आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कि दे इन एन आर्टिस्टिक सेंस दे वर रियली गुड. बट मुझे उस स्टोरी लाइन जो है ना, मुझे वो स्टोरी लाइन ही बहुत डिस्टर्ब करता है मेंटली. बट मेरी फेवरेट ऑब्वियसली Ali knows which one it is. Ram Leela, guys. Ram Leela, for sure. Ram Leela. And also a little bit of Savaria. Like a little bit of it.
कोई देखी है फिल्म?
मुझे ये नहीं पता था कि देवदास was by Bhansali, although again the set speaks for itself. But Gangubai, I was talking about Devdas, how it's a cult classic. Whether it's आप उनको भी ले लें, दिलीप कुमार साहब को ले लें या शाहरुख खान. So it was that to actually remake that was a very big task, considering it was done by the legend himself, Dileep Kumar Saab. So to actually get away with that, and of course taking two lead ladies like Aishwarya and Madhuri, and all of that, I think that was beautifully done. I think that
was amazing. Devdas is exceptional. Devdas is so.
But I don't know. There's also Savaria thi. I fell in love with Savaria. That was like
Savaria was very like बहुत ही ज़्यादा spectacular किस्म की थी. और obviously यार मतलब कि सोनम कपूर और रणबीर को लॉन्च कर रहा था, तो there was a lot of spice in the mix. But like if you know the history of Devdas, like in terms of कि उसकी इतने ज़्यादा लोगों ने उस एंथोलॉजी को रीराइट किया है. लाइक बंगाल में इट्स लाइक वन ऑफ दोज फोक टेल्स इन बंगाल व्हिच इज लाइक द बेस्ट सेलिंग फोक टेल्स. तो उस कॉन्सेप्ट को रिक्रिएट करना, आई थिंक देवदास सीरियसली लाइक ब्लू मी अवे. एंड आई सॉ इट व्हेन आई वाज वेरी यंग. माय पर्सनल फेवरेट, ultimate personal favorite is by far Ram Leela. Ram Leela was script and acting, everything, every component of that movie is just gorgeous. It was so nice. It was so yummy. It was the best movie ever.
Excellent. Chalo, I think on this note we are going to wrap up here. I think a काफी interesting film थी, and there is so much to a Sanjay Leela Bhansali film. It's not just storyline is just one aspect of it. There is this, the sets and the mujras are going, and then there's this, sort of bits of history.
Do you remember he was considering Pakistani actors for this TV show as well? Allah ka shukr. Absolute bullshit. But thank God he didn't do that to himself. Thank God, I swear.
Thank you everyone for joining. We'll meet in the next episode. So thank you so much. Allah.